Apple is in trouble. Not the kind of trouble that shows up on a balance sheet, but a deeper, more existential kind. For years, they've dominated our wrists, but they've hit a ceiling. The Apple Watch Ultra, while a marvel of engineering, has become safe, predictable. But as we sit here in 2026, something is changing inside the labs at Cupertino. They aren't just building a new watch. They are fighting to keep the Apple Watch relevant in a world where AI and biohacking are moving faster than their release cycles. This is the Apple Watch Ultra 4. It is the result of a secret multi-billion-dollar project codenamed N240. And if the leaks coming out of the supply chain are even half accurate, the Ultra 4 isn't just an upgrade. It is a total re-engineering of what a wearable is supposed to be. If you've been holding on to your original Ultra or thinking about jumping ship to Garmin, you need to stop. You need to see what Apple has been hiding. Because the Ultra 4 is about to make the last 3 years of smartwatches look like digital jewelry. Let's talk about the thinness paradox. For 3 generations, the Ultra has been a tank. It's thick, it's chunky, and for many people, it's just too much for daily wear. But the N240 design language changes that. Apple has managed to shave 15% off the case thickness. Think about that for a second. In a device where every millimeter is a battleground for battery and sensors, a 15% reduction is a miracle of industrial design. But they didn't do it by making the battery smaller. They did it by inventing a new tandem logic board and a more efficient Z-axis internal layout. The Ultra 4 is slimmer, more ergonomic, and it finally fits under a shirt cuff without feeling like you're wearing a diving computer. But don't let the slim profile fool you. It's actually tougher than the Ultra 3. They've moved to a grade 6 ceramic titanium hybrid. It's a material that's virtually impossible to scratch and can survive depths that would crush a submarine. But the real story isn't the metal. It's the glass. For years, we've been hearing rumors about micro-LED. We were told it was the future. But the truth is, micro-LED was a nightmare to manufacture. Apple hit a wall. So for the Ultra 4, they've pivoted to something even more impressive. The tandem LTPO3 display. It is the same record-breaking technology found in the iPad Pro, but shrunk down to a 49mm canvas. This screen doesn't just show information. It blasts it. We are talking about a peak brightness of 3,500 nits. You could be on the summit of Everest in blinding snow, or in the middle of the Sahara at high noon, and this screen will look like a glowing portal. But it's not just about brightness, it's about efficiency. The LTPO3 tech allows the refresh rate to drop down to a staggering 0.1 Hz. That is 1 refresh every 10 seconds. This is how Apple is finally cracking the code on multi-day battery life. Why does 2026 matter? Because 2026 is the year of the S11 chip. For the last few years, Apple Watch chips have been good enough. But the S11 is built on the same 2nm architecture as the upcoming iPhone 18. This is the first AI-first wearable silicon. Apple is introducing on-wrist intelligence. This isn't Siri asking you to wait a second. This is a processor that handles your health data locally, in real time, without ever pinging a server. It learns your biosignature. It knows your baseline cortisol levels. It knows your recovery patterns. And it uses